called up the neighbors to tell them the news. A young baby child that the world can abuse. I cried and I cried when they called it a ruse. Now I'm leaving my chains all behind. I had realized the night before the day I turned 7 that even if acting nice could get you to heaven, the earth that you live in will treat you like hell. So I'm leaving my chains all behind.